I'm talking high power, God's reign, and right now you're bathing in my shower. Stay down until my 15 minutes of fame turn to my hour, and everything that's mine will be ours. Touring the globe, keeping poetry in motion, full of subliminal shit I do to keep you open. It's difficult to stay focused when my mind's sidetracked by dividing your thighs like a quotient. Late night FaceTimes, I tell you what I'm gonna do to you when I'm loaded. Just expressing my affection. You know what a gun'll do to you when it's loaded. They say sex is a weapon. Back to reality, backstage full of bougie groupies, venue full of people who pay to pay attention to me. I missed a few of your calls, but that don't mean I don't miss you, mommy. I had a meet and greet. I mean, you really think I'd rather take autographs than to go out and eat with you, chill on the silk sheets with you, have some empathy, would you? I'm a sensitive Pisces, and I keep it real, baby. And on the real, baby,
I'm just going through the motions now.
Yeah.
Lifting off the ground.
Lifting off the ground.
Drifting like the clouds.
Drifting like the clouds. Just like the clouds. Yeah.
Lifting off the ground.
Lifting off the ground.
Drifting like the clouds.
Drifting like a cloud. Just like the cloud. Yeah. You know what it is. Absolutely, exactly, right? Type shit.